Whether you're exploring the historic streets of Rome or hiking through the scenic trails of New Zealand, having the right tips and tricks can make all the difference. In this article, we'll cover essential travel tips to help you navigate the world with ease, from budgeting and transportation to safety and cultural etiquette. With these expert tips, you'll be well on your way to creating unforgettable memories without breaking the bank. Mastering money and budgeting. One of the most critical aspects of mid-range travel is managing your finances effectively. Consider using a budgeting app like Mint or You Need a Budget (YNAB) to track your expenses and stay on top of your spending. Additionally, look into affordable accommodation options like Airbnb apartments or boutique hotels, which can offer a unique and personalized experience for around $100 to $200 per night. For example, the Hotel Europa in Florence, Italy, offers stylish rooms and a delicious breakfast buffet for approximately $180 per night. Navigating transportation. When it comes to getting around, mid-range travelers have a plethora of options. For shorter distances, consider renting a car or using public transportation, which can be an affordable and efficient way to explore local areas. For longer journeys, look into budget airlines or train services like Eurail, which offer competitive prices and convenient routes. For instance, a one-way ticket from Paris to Amsterdam on the Thalys train costs around $60 or $100, depending on the time of booking and availability. Staying safe and healthy on the road. Safety and health are paramount when traveling, especially for mid-range explorers. Be sure to research your destination thoroughly and stay informed about local conditions, such as weather forecasts or health advisories. Consider purchasing travel insurance that covers medical emergencies and trip cancellations, which can provide peace of mind and financial protection. For example, Allianz Travel Insurance offers a range of plans starting at around $20 to $50 per day, depending on the level of coverage and duration of your trip. In conclusion, with these essential travel tips, mid-range travelers can embark on unforgettable adventures without compromising on comfort or budget. By mastering money and budgeting, navigating transportation, and staying safe and healthy, you'll be well equipped to handle whatever comes your way. So why wait? Start planning your next trip today and get ready to create lifelong memories. Additional tips for mid-range travelers. When dining out, consider eating at local restaurants or cafes, which can offer a delicious and authentic experience for around $15 to $30 per meal. For example, the famous pizza joint, Pizzeria La Notizia in Naples, Italy, serves mouth-watering Neapolitan-style pizzas for approximately $12 to $18 per pie. Additionally, don't forget to pack essential items like a portable charger, a universal power adapter, and a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and connected on the go.